Hi, I'm Jonathan. I was watching somebody on the forum. They wanted to create a wall style like this, or they wanted to create a drawing with walls, but they didn't want to see all the components. Now, a quick way to do it is just to go to low here and choose low detail. But they weren't very happy about the windows missing. Now, the other way to do this is to create a series of viewport styles. So where's my viewport style? Let's replace this viewport style. I've got one called Plan with Components. When we choose that, you can see I've got all my components. I've got another one called Plan with No Components. And it does a couple of things. It turns off all my classes for the walls, and it also turns on my data visualization. I've got a data visualization here called Walls, and it turns that on so you can see I've lost all my wall components and I can just see the outline of my walls. But when I move from this style to the other style, it's really quick with viewport styles. I just have to replace that with a new viewport style, Walls with Components, and OK, and I can see all my components back again. So that's my quick trick. Now that was pretty quick, but there's a lot that went on in the background. So for my members on my YouTube channel and for my members on my website, I'm going to create an extended movie that shows exactly how to set this all up.